That's what I just got. David Outdoors 74. Got a new toy. Let's put it together. Check out this video. It's not super cold out, but look at that stuff. Nuts and bolts. There's a sprayer. This is kind of cool. I don't recommend you doing that if you have a bad back. Okay, so it's all together. Got the line for the wand, get the wheels on, got to add oil. And when the oil's done, we got to put gas in. There's also the soap option. You can put your soap in there and then it dilutes it itself. You don't have to dilute it. That's kind of cool. It's an automatic soap dilution. Do not put bleach in there. A lot of people want to put bleach in. Let's see. No bleach. There's oil provided. It says use all but 2 ounces. I don't know how you're going to figure that out. There's no numbers on it, so a guesstimate, I guess. There we go. So this is good. All right, time to put some gasoline in. I'm not going to use my funnel because my funnel is dirty. This is dirty, but it's clean gas. You'd think for the kind of money you spend, they'd give you some gas, huh? Okay, full tank of gas. We got oil. Do not start it until you put water to it. So don't go and start it again until you got water in it. You will hate yourself because you'll burn your pump up. Okay, let's go hook it to a water line. Let's see if we can get this to go. Oh, got it to go. Not bad. It's on choke, so I'm going to turn off the choke. Okay, so this is the back side of my house. It gets green because there's no sun. And I'm gonna use my pressure washer, the new one, the new Ryobi, and we're gonna pressure wash this off. The grill came out nice, so let's try this. green. That thing works awesome. I give that an A+. So if you're looking to buy a pressure washer, I think that was $3 something, maybe $270. I don't know. So if you're looking for an economical pressure washer, the Ryobi 3200 PSI, that's a nice little machine. David Outdoors 74, you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the share, and very happy.